Hello and welcome. In today's video, we'll walk you through the process of applying for a domicile online in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Whether you're applying for a son, daughter, or wife, we've got you covered with every step. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official CFC KPK website. You can find the link in the description below. If you don't have an account yet, click on Register to sign up. This is necessary to start your application. Remember, you can apply for a domicile online only for your son, daughter, or wife. Make sure you have all the necessary details and documents ready. Biometric verification is required for the person from whom you're applying. For example, if a father is applying for his son, the father's biometric data must be provided. Once you're registered and logged in, go to the Apply for Domicile section. Fill out the application form with personal details, such as the full name, father's name, and date of birth of the person you're applying for. Enter the residential address accurately. This should be the permanent residence in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Upload the following documents for the online application. Form B. SIN IC of the father, husband, or mother, front and back. 1 passport-size photograph. Biometric data of the person from whom you're applying. Review all the entered information carefully before submitting your application. After submitting the online application, visit the DC office to collect the physical form. Complete the form, have it signed by your VC secretary and a 17-grade officer, and then submit it back to the DC office. Your domicile will be ready in about 10 days. Be sure to keep track of any updates through the portal or by contacting the DC office. And that's it. You've successfully applied for a domicile online in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. If you found this video helpful, please like and share. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.